back to maybe biodiversity, and you had a campaign last year all around biodiversity, and I know you sent out postcards. How did that campaign work?
I think it worked, and a lot of what we have to do is raise awareness. One of the things that I think is a bit of a mistake around the green movement, the sustainability movement, is people have been very po-faced and serious in saying they're against greenwashing. I think greenwashing is a brilliant thing, because what it does is it raises, the whole point about greenwashing is it's marketing green activities. Now, of course, what it means is they're doing that and then you're not doing the stuff behind. You're not really reducing carbon emissions, etc. And of course that's wrong. So I know kind of what they mean by it, but be careful not to damn people. People don't have to be serious all the time. If we send out a postcard with pictures of bees on it and say, or no mow May, if we send that out, you can accuse that of greenwashing. I think it's really good. I think it raises awareness for people. That awareness now, most people know that actually, this is not the right time of year to be mowing your lawn really tight because bees require it. And, that's fantastic. So, and we'll do more this year. We're going to do a big cleanup campaign on beaches and rivers, which we'd like to do because I think that's a part of our environment that we've perhaps neglected. So, we can keep doing those things. They're not expensive to do. It's just about, do you care? And can you let people know? And I think that really matters. I think that linking with people, because essentially people want clean beaches, they want biodiversity, they want bees pollinating plants. People want these things. You're not asking people to do things they don't want, so why not?
Do you get pushback though from people who say, we don't think that the areas look so neat and tidy anymore? Do you get that sort of feedback sometimes? Or are people more understanding that perhaps things don't have to look so neat and tidy?
Yeah, I think you get some pushback in that. I think people are getting used to that, and our aesthetics change, our aesthetics change in terms of landscape and environment, which is quite interesting. I think and by the way, we do very little in this area. The people who really do the work are local councils. I mean, my own council in Dunleary have done unbelievable work in planting, and if we all have that intent, the country will be great, be way better. So look, we do very little in that regard, but if we'll do what we can, and it's not in a sense my job to rewild the environment, but we'll do what we can to let people know and also make it a bit of fun.